In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your OTG is not recognized by your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just scroll down a bit and you will find the option for Auto Blocker. Now just make sure you disable the toggle for Auto Blocker. Now just use your lock screen pin or your fingerprint to confirm this action. Now after you disable Auto Blocker, then just go back to the main settings page. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Software Information. Now on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen pin, then select Continue. Now after you do that, you will enable developer options on your Samsung phone. Now just go back to the main settings page. Now on this page, if you scroll down a bit more, you will find the option for developer options. Now just tap on it. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the option for USB debugging. Now just enable this toggle and select OK. After that, just scroll down and look for the option for default USB configuration. Now just tap on it. Now if it is on charging only, just select transferring files. After that, just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just open the phone app and from here just dial this *#0808#. Now after you do that, you'll open the USB settings. Now from here just make sure you select MTP. After you do that, then just tap on OK. Then just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now in the app drawer, just look for the My Files app. Then tap and hold on the app icon of the My Files app. Then tap on the Info option. And from here just scroll down and tap on Storage. From here just select Clear Cache. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the Quick Settings. Now from here just tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now just perform a restart on your Samsung phone. Now once the restart process is completed, then just grab your OTG extension. Then just plug in your USB or hard drive to your OTG extension. Now just make sure that your hard drive or your USB is inserted properly to your OTG extension. Now after that, just plug in the OTG extension to the charging port of your phone and make sure that it inserts properly to your phone. Now just open the app drawer, and in the app drawer just look for the My Files app. Now over here, if you scroll down, under external storage, you will find your external storage mentioned over here. Now if you have done all that, but if your phone is still not recognizing your OTG extension, then just try to use another OTG extension because your current one might be broken. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.